welcome back to my channel. Today I am blown away yet again by another amazing product. Now these are the lovely products that are sat behind me. These are the Dr Paw Paw balms. They come in 4 different types and I'm going to show you them right now. So I've done my full look incorporating these products in it. So these products are all on my face right now. I've also got them on my hands too, which I will get into further on in the video. But just to kick us off, I'm just going to go through each colour and tell you what they are, what they're for and what they're designed to do. So here is the original one and possibly my favourite. Well, it was my favourite until I did this video and now it's my second favourite. So this is the Dr Paw Paw Original Balm and it provides relief from dry irritated skin, moisturizes lips, nails and cuticles. It soothes dry cracked skin on your hands, heels and elbows and is used for adding finishing touches to your hair and smoothing out your brows. It also helps with insect bites and minor abrasions. So this one is the blue one that contains shea butter and this says Dr Paw Paw moisturizes dry chapped lips and cuticles, soothes dry cracked skin such as on your hands, heels and elbows and knees, and provides relief for sensitive irritated skin. So these two are very similar to each other. However, the blue one is aimed more towards your sensitive skin, which is probably why I'm more drawn to it now since using it in this video. And the yellow one is also can be used for abrasions, little insect bites, things like that. So the peach pink shade, it says it provides moisture to the lips with a hint of tint. It adds a natural glow to the cheeks, eyelids and general beauty finishing. To apply, smile and use the desired amount of the apples of the cheeks, sweep over the eyelids and smooth over the lips to create a gorgeous glowing non-sticky finish. The red one then also says that it provides moisture and a hint of tint and adds a natural glow to the cheeks, and you use it in the same way as you would the peach. What you got, Breeze? Hi honey, cutest little bear. Hi honey. Uh-oh, devil twin is coming. Hi, honey. Who have you got? They're not yours. Hi, Dace. Hi, little bear. Say hi. So if you would like to hear my thoughts and reviews on these products and how to use them to create this look right here, then please keep watching. So I will link right here all the different places where you can purchase Dr Paw Paw and they retail for around £6.95. So I've already done my foundation, eyes and brows. I haven't done concealer or anything else yet because I'm going to incorporate it as we go along. But to kick it off, we're going to start off with this shea butter one first. I'm going to use this as a lip balm. Ooh. Doesn't smell of anything, which I don't think any of them do, to be honest. This one's definitely a little bit thicker than the original, but that feels really nice. Ooh, look how shiny they look too. What I love about these is whenever I wear the original one, I usually use the original one on my lips, which is why I tried this one today, but I get so many compliments on what I'm wearing on my lips because it just gives you like a really subtle shine and a healthy glow to your lips without you actually having to wear any lipstick or lip gloss. One thing I've just noticed about this shea butter as a lip balm as well, it gives your lips such a slight blue tint that it makes your teeth look super white. Next up, I'm going in with the original one. So this is what I usually use as a lip balm, but because I've used the shea butter one today, I'm actually going to use this under my eyes. This is the one that I've used for quite a while. This literally stays in my handbag 24/7. It does not leave. I just love how it does everything. So you can use this in your hair, same as the shea butter one, you can use that in your hair too. You can use it on your hands, on any dry patches, lips. I use it underneath my eyes at the moment to highlight with, so I'll put my concealer on top of that and it stops it from sticking to dry skin. But this one you can literally just use for everything. So now I've popped that on underneath my eyes, all I'm going to do is blend it in ever so slightly with a damp beauty blender. I'm not pushing it in, I'm just patting it, and then my concealer will go straight on top of this and sit perfectly. So I'll just show you, like, can you see how that just glides on? Look at that. And if you've got dark circles like me, it allows you to put that extra little bit on that you probably wouldn't before because it absorbs some of the product, so you can wear a lot more than what you normally would without looking cakey. I'm going to blend that in. So that is our concealer completely blended in, and as you can see, it's virtually untraceable. This really gives me the base. I usually use oils or coconut oil, but I really like this because it's a little bit thicker, so you can put more on and get a flawless coverage. I'd also recommend using this over any blemishes. If your blemish is in the drying out stage, throw a bit of this on top and it's going to smooth right over it, while also keeping it hydrated at the same time. While we're on about dry skin as well, any eczema patches, get this on top underneath your foundation. So it'll go your skin, your moisturiser, this, then your foundation or concealer, and it's just going to again really soothe that dry skin, but also allow you to wear coverage you've probably never been able to wear before, because the more coverage you put on, it often shows up more texture. So this is really going to allow you to wear more coverage than you probably ever have been able to before, which is so exciting just from one little product. Moving on to our cheeks, I've got these two gorgeous colours. So these again are very similar recipe, let's call it, but these two have a little tint to them. So the red one is actually the first ever Dr Paw Paw balm that I got. I bought this probably like a year ago from Salon Services, and I just fell in love with it. I just happened to buy it out of a whim. My lips were really chapped, and we have a Salon Services right around the corner from Pivotal where our gym is. So I was like, I need to go grab a lip balm. So I ran around to the beauty supplies and I happened to see this, and I was like, oh, red. I've never really had a red lip balm before. I thought I'll try it, you know. Didn't think it was going to be that good. Oh my god, within like the evening my lips were completely healed, and since then they've kind of gradually got more and more in our store. So after that I then grabbed the original one, and I was in the other day and I've just seen they've got the peach one. I'm not sure if they've got the shea butter one yet in my local one, but I can see why they're quickly stocking up on these because they're great. Because I'm in my fair natural skin today, I think I'm going to go for that kind of English rose look. So I'm going to put the peach colour on my cheeks and I'm going to wear the red on my lips. I actually haven't also tried the peach one yet, so I don't know what this looks like. I saw it in the shop, like I said, and I was so tempted to do a swatch, but I thought, no, don't, just wait till you've done the video. So let's have a look at the actual colour. Oh, look at that. I'm going to swatch the red one as well so you can see the colours side by side. So here are the two, and what I think is genius is they are so different. It would have been so easy for them to kind of done like a peach in a pink shade or a red and a pink, but it's literally completely opposite colours. I love that. For this look, I'm going to go in with the peach colour on my cheeks, and then we'll go for the red on my lips. So I'm going to start out just by dabbing it on. Let's see. Oh, look at that shine. Actually, let's try. Oh, that is really nice. Oh my word. Okay, I don't know if it's going to come up on camera too much, but in person, that is the most gorgeous peach flush. Wow. Put some more on. In person, this has a really good colour payoff. I'm not sure with all these lights you're going to see it as strong, but trust me, oh my word, that looks so nice. Oh my god, I love it. Can I put some on my chin and other places? I'm going to kind of have like a wintry nose. And don't forget guys, this, even though this is pigmented, it is still the original balm. So this is going to be treating your skin so well and so kindly, especially during the winter. So while that just sets, I'm just going to powder under my eyes because I need that powder. And I'm going to see how this kind of sits overlapping the peach. I'm not going to put any on the peach because I don't want to cover it, but it will overlap ever so slightly, so I'm quite intrigued to see how that will sit. Flawless, of course. Of course! Wow! Like, makeup brands and skincare brands are seriously... Oh my god, it looks even nicer when I cover it in the powder. Whoa! I'm gonna cover just a little bit. It kind of, the flush, I'm using a translucent powder, I'm choosing the Primark one, and It's not covering the flush at all, but it's turning it into a powder look blusher. Oh my god, this is literally giving me butterflies. It's making me so excited about how my skin looks. Honestly, look, can you see? But then the shine is still coming through. So I've just applied the rest of my makeup. So literally all I've done is added some eyeshadow underneath my bottom lashes and also mascara. And I'm absolutely blown away with this. I'm just going to put the finishing touch on, which is the red. So the red one is the same as the peachy shade, apart from obviously it's red. So it's going to give me a nice red tint. I'm going to use this on my lips, but I might also put on the peach on my lips as well to see the colour pay off. So we'll do that first. So I'm just going to blend in the shea butter one. That's made my lips feel so smooth. I'll definitely be wearing that on its own. That's lovely. And let's apply the peach. Oh god. Wait, I need a mirror. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Wow, right. I love that. This is like my perfect lip colour. These are the lip colours that I am just drawn to. And I know from wearing the red one and also the original one on my lips, they don't ever fully dry either because it is a balm. So it stays just glossy but so smooth. But as it dries, it kind of just sinks in, you know? It doesn't like go gross and gunky or anything disgusting. It literally just sinks in as the day goes on, and I know this tint will last all day. Let's try the red. So, oh yes, wow, this is like perfect for, you know, that kind of, I always call it a bitten lip kind of look. So it's like a natural lip colour but a little bit more enhanced. I love that. I love these so much. Okay, you guys, I'm so in love with these products. I can't believe that this has been sitting in my drawer for the last couple of weeks waiting for me to do this video when I could have been wearing it and feeling so good. Don't forget to use the original one on any dry patches, and also the original and shea butter you can use in your hair. So if you've got any flyaways, you can really treat your hair really nice with these. So guys, let me know what you think of these products below. I will link all of Dr Paw Paw's social media links right here, and where you can buy them I will leave in the description box. I'm so impressed with these. I'm so glad I got the opportunity to work with them to create this video, and I'm blown away. Just like always. Hope you all have an amazing evening, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, I'll see you soon.